Hello and welcome to R&B Models with Rick and Brandy. Today we are reviewing AMT's 1969 Ford Torino Cobra. We bought this at the last model show we went to, and it's a vintage kit. It was copyrighted in 2003, and Rick's going to go through everything that came in this box. We think everything's in it, but not really sure. Rick's going to go through it.
Yeah, not everything was in the package, so we don't know. We hope everything's in there. Everything looks like it's in there, but all it takes is one little piece missing here and there. But yeah, on the front it's got the, this the picture of the car, the model looks like. Same thing was on the side view of the model, and underneath the hood, the engine. They were equipped with the tail lights and the gauges and interior over here, and pretty much got the same on this side. So that's pretty much what's on the box. Now here's the body. You get it looks like it's all fitted. You can get the hood here. Hood's got where you can cut out for a hood scoop. It looks like, if you want to, or all depends on you. Got hood pins on it. And it's got Ford, it's lettering across the front. The body looks pretty straight overall. It's kind of like I'm holding it off-white. The whole kit is. It's got Cobras on the side over here. Got the radiator with radiator sport. Shows your shock towers, and there's your firewall. On your chrome, it's got your front clip here, your front bumper, and your grille and headlights all molded in one big piece. It's got the factory wheels here. There's your rear bumper with the rear, tail light assembly. Got an air cleaner, dual quad intake, headers, valve covers, alternator, dual carburetors, shifter here. Here's the air cleaner for the dual quads. Here's for looks like for a high-rise setup. And some extra wheels if you want to. Here's the interior tub. They look like they taped the steering wheel in there, the factory steering wheel. It's got pretty good stuff on there that can be marked, it doesn't stick up very far, so it ain't like a easy, it's all paint. Here's the front buckets and the rear seat, one of the wheels, seat, and then the front bucket seat backs. And here's the wheel hubs. Here's a single carb intake with stock manifolds, timing chain cover with the oil filter on it, and battery. Looks like some bars or something there, or it could be something. There's a distributor, might have been something on there. Here's a belt assembly, hoses, part of your heads, right there and there's another. So it's got 3 intakes so far. And then here's the 429 probably, with the 4-speed, and then the fan truck, or fan, sorry. Here's another intake. It looks like must be for the high-rise version. Some more pieces of roll bar. It looks like. Well, here's the roll bar. Looks like some bracing for it here. Some straps. There's another rim, some wheel backs. There's a tunnel cover with another one of the bars with some padding on it, and looks like a racing steering wheel. And this must be some more of the roll bar stuff. Here's the front and rear glass. Got big back window on these. Here's some more of the roll bar. Another wheel. Here's a racing bucket. I guess almost like a stock car seat. Some sort of must be a part of the seat back here. And, this is a spoiler, it looks like, and some scoops and some more roll bar. So you can make the car pretty nice. Here's a dual exhaust setup with two more manifolds and some more roll bars, and then here's looks like some maybe like an intake setup or something there. And then here's more of your high-rise. I wonder if this goes on the bottom of the hood. Here's like if you want to put a custom front end for like probably the race car version of it. So, and here's the frame. It's got all the suspension stuff molded in it with the dry shaft and rear end. So you got one of the axles in here. Hopefully the front axle's on it, or probably has plastic one most likely. But it all looks straight, so that's good. Hopefully it is straight. Here's a couple different dashes that you're going to use. Probably there's a racing one, probably two racing versions of the dash. I don't know what this is. Looks like the factory one here. Here's a scoop, and part of that custom grill. And some more louvers, air deflectors stuff here. And that's for your wheel hubs for the front. And here's one of the wheel hubs. And here's one of your rear wheels. It's got 4 of the Goodyear tires. Get the kind of like the common use for the AMT kits back in the day. And here's your taillights, molded in red. Well, that's good. Here's your decals. Got it says 383 in there. So it must be a 383 tweet. It's got some custom graphics there. And it's got your license plates. It's got different down there. But you can use white or black, whatever you choose. You want to put those on. Here's your instruction sheet. Got a picture of the car in front of it there. That looks like you get where you search. Where you put the engine together, then the chassis. Pretty much goes through. Got the part numbers on it where you can read it pretty good. So, and here's for the interior, of course. And then finish putting the wheels on, stuff like that. And of course, then putting all the windows in, interior tub, and the rear. And then on the bottom for some of your graphics for the decals, and we're going to cut out for the hood there, and the hood scoops, and then so that's everything that's in this kit. So
well, that's everything that came in this kit, and it looks pretty complete. So hopefully it is. And we will be building this on the channel, and we hope you join us for that video. Until then, we hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.